Yeah, this looks like the car.
No, it doesn't. I remember every inch of that car.
That's not the point.
Then what is the point? What is the point of you being here right now? You're gone and that's it. I never asked for any of this.
Did I ask for this? At least you're buckled this time. Sorry, that's not why I'm here.
Why are you here then? Actually, it doesn't matter. Because I know you're not.
Does that make you feel better?
No. Because I still think you are. I turn around, you're there. But only for a moment. I see your mother crying. I can't even look at the roast beef classic without thinking about you, Will. One little trip to Arby's and now my friend is dead. If you never asked me to go to Arby's and we went to Burger King like I wanted, maybe you'd actually be here.
You know, Arby's famous roast beef, topped with cheddar cheese sauce and zesty red ranch served on an onion bun is the best sandwich you've had in your life.
But was it worth yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.